Hey everybody, it is time for a monthly residential market update. I want to let you guys know what's going on. This one's going to be quick and short, and I just want to hit all the points real quickly, get it out there so you know what's going on in the market and what you can expect going into buying and selling season. If you didn't know, the buying and selling season is from April to August. That's the prime time. That's when people look to make a move. Get out of school, that's the time to make the move, right, parents? So you can get the kids in the new school if you need to. So, market update. Really, prices year over year have flattened out through February. We saw transactions pick up in January, February. They flattened out as well. Overall, some areas you're seeing spikes. Actually, Rockwall County, there was a spike in transactions. But overall, transactions year over year, the amount of homes sold and bought year over year are about flat. So everything's about flat there on pricing, amount of transactions. Leading into March, contracts showed to be down leading into March, so things slowed down. What we saw in January is interest rates fell below 7, pretty good amount below 7, maybe around 6.5 to 6 3/4, and that's where we saw the surge of activity. And then the brakes went on in February. So contracts are down, pendings are down into March. We saw it as a real estate firm as well. And then what is interesting, though, that is I'm excited about, and this is for buyers and sellers, is that I have seen the first big market shift in new listings. So that's been our issue. This is why the market's kind of been on hold. Nobody has nowhere to move. There's just not enough inventory for all the people coming here. And one of the things that needed to happen is we see a big increase in the amount of new listings coming to the market. Well, new listings coming to the market for February were up 40 to 60%. And that's a huge jump, huge amount. Now, again, it's off of anemic levels last year, but that's the type of increases we need. We've been seeing 10% in a good case scenario increase in new listings, but to see that 40 to 60%, that tells me that inventory is going to come to the market, prices are going to have to adjust, and that means transactions and people are going to be able to buy and sell more freely, and the market isn't going to be so frozen if that continues. So it's going to be very interesting next month to see if we see that month over month, that type of increase in new listings. Us as a real estate firm, we've seen more listings than we've ever had coming to the market. So I'm believing that's what's fixing to happen here, that shift to getting back to normal business. People get tired of sitting in their homes. We're discontent by nature, and we kind of get used to the new. Interest rates right now, they came back up and then they kind of came back down. They're just below 7% right now. I think that interest rate outlook, we're going to see, that's going to just be the new. I don't see anything below 6.5 for a long time. And, ultimately prices have to adjust and everybody's going to get used to it because we want new things. And changes is just in our DNA. So that's what we're beginning to see in the market. So that's what's going on. That's the market update. You have any questions, need any help, we would love to serve you here at M&D Real Estate. We do residential transactions, we do commercial and property management, and would love to give you 5-star service. Have a great day. Bye-bye.